This is the LifeStraw Flex with Collapsible Squeeze Bottle. This product comes with a collapsible 22-ounce squeeze bottle, the full LifeStraw Flex filter, and a syringe for backwashing. The Flex filter can be used in 5 ways. Use it with the included squeeze bottle, with the gravity bag, as a standalone straw, with a plastic bottle, or in line with a hydration bladder. Just fill the bottle with water from here, or here, and enjoy. The Flex with Squeeze Bottle is easy to take with you. Compact, lightweight, and versatile. And we mean versatile. Trusted by outdoor adventurers, international travelers, and emergency response workers, the LifeStraw Flex has been used and tested all over the world. Drinking water straight from these sources sound risky? It's not. We've taken similar technology that we use to provide safe drinking water to millions here and just put it here. With this technology, water passes through a membrane microfilter with microscopic pores that traps bacteria, parasites, microplastics, dirt, and sediment. Then, an activated carbon plus ion exchange filter absorbs chemicals and bonds to heavy metals like lead, reducing even more contaminants from your drinking water. Your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product purchased, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Everyone needs safe water. Stay safe. Pack a LifeStraw.